I regret my hoe phase. Siguro, if I had the chance to change things, I wouldn't hook up with that many people. I want to start dating seriously, pero di ko naman magawang hindi i-disclose yung ganong past ko because I feel like I'm fooling them. On the outside, I look like someone na very wholesome, mukhang di umiinom, mukhang di nagyoyosi. Pero yung totoo, I had a face na lagi akong lasing, na ang lakas ko mag-smoke, na sunod-sunod hookups ko. Ayoko rin to spend too much time talking to someone, tapos pag nalaman na I did all those in the past, majajudge ako or worse, kakausapin lang ako with the goal of fucking me. Now I feel so disillusioned and frustrated. I don't know if I'll even meet someone who can see me for what I really am. Feel ko naman I have a lot to offer other than sex, kaya lang most people don't stay long enough to see that. I know I need to stop looking for someone to meet, pero sobrang lungkot lang talaga mag-isa.